In this quick video, I'll show you how to replace the internal battery in your Chevy Monte Carlo key fob. Replacing the battery in your key fob at home is very easy to do, and it'll take you under 5 minutes from start to finish. The only things you'll need to get it done are a regular flathead screwdriver and one CR2032 battery. If you're not sure where to get one of these, or you don't have one laying around, you can go check the link in the description. That link will take you over to Amazon, where you can find this particular battery for just a few dollars. Now, the first step to opening this thing up is just to grab your flathead and then look down on the bottom right of the device, right next to where the keyring attaches. Right along the seam in the plastic, there's a little slot. You can see that right there. Take your flathead, insert it in there. And once it's kind of stuck in a little bit, you're just going to gently twist the screwdriver, and that's going to crack this thing open a little bit. And from here, you can just pull it apart with your fingers, or you can just give one more little twist in the opening to loosen it up just a little bit more. So now you can set the back down, and the easiest thing to do from here is actually just pull out the circuit board. Just going to gently lift it up out of the rubber housing beneath it so we can easily pull the battery straight out of there. You can just pull it out with your thumb. It's very easy to do. And once you have your battery out, just dispose of your old battery, grab your new 2032 battery. And when you're putting it in, make sure that this positive side that has the plus sign on it is going face up. So you'll just slide that in, positive side up. And from here, we can just put it all back together. So take the front of the device that has the rubber inside of it and just drop the circuit board in there, battery facing up. And now you can just put the back section of plastic right on there and squeeze it all together. And you are finished. It really is that easy. I hope that was pretty straightforward for you, and I hope that helped you out. If it did, if you liked the video, feel free to let me know down in the comments or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back to this channel. We've got you covered with videos for the devices of pretty much every make or model out there. And you can also get that information over at our website, fobbattery.com.